In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark email as unread Gmail. If you've ever opened a message and realized you don't have time to deal with it right now, marking it as unread is a simple way to keep it on your radar so you can come back to it later. We'll walk through the quickest method using Gmail in a web browser on your computer. Start by opening Gmail in your browser. Once your inbox is visible, locate the message you want to revisit. You can scroll through your inbox or use the search bar at the top to find it faster. When you've spotted the email, look to the far left of that row. You'll see a small checkbox next to the sender and subject line. Click that checkbox to select the message. You'll notice the row becomes highlighted, confirming it's selected. With the email selected, move your eyes to the top of the page, just above your list of messages. That's the toolbar. Among the icons there, look for the one that looks like a closed envelope. If you hover over it, it will say Mark as unread. Click that icon. The selected email immediately changes back to unread status. You'll know it worked because Gmail uses visual cues to make unread messages stand out. The subject line becomes bold again, and depending on your settings, you may also see a small indicator dot. This bold style is your built-in reminder, helping that message pop out the next time you scan your inbox. If your inbox categories show unread counts, you may also see that counter update to reflect the change. A quick note about conversations. If the email is part of a thread, marking it as unread may apply to the whole conversation, so it stays prominent until you're ready to open it again. This action doesn't move, archive, or delete anything. It simply changes the read status, which makes it an excellent, low-effort way to keep important messages from slipping through the cracks. If you want to tidy up multiple messages at once, you can check more than one box before clicking the envelope icon. The same unread styling will be applied to all selected emails, which is great for batch organizing after a quick skim. That's all there is to it. Open Gmail, select the message, and click the closed envelope icon on the toolbar. Use that bold, unread look as your visual cue to follow up when you have time. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to keep your inbox focused and manageable with just a couple of clicks.